Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Skims unboxing and first impressions. I placed my first order a few weeks ago. I just wanted to try a few basic pieces to kind of test the waters, see what the material is like. Is it actually good quality? Is the material as buttery and smooth and this and that Kim is always talking about before I decide to place a bulk order? I just wanted to get a few things, see what it's all about, and then move forward from there. So you open the box, it looks like this. Beautiful packaging. I like that there's no Skims on the outside of the box. It just looks like a normal package, but when you open it up, it says Skims inside. I actually prefer that because people steal packages, especially when they know what it is. So I like that the branding is subtle and inside. So all the pieces are actually inside of this little piece right here. And let's just get into what I ordered. So first things first, for size references, I normally just wear Victoria's Secret seamless underwear, and I am a size small across the board in those. So I looked at her sizing chart and I decided to go with an extra small. So I decided to try two different styles of underwear. My Victoria's Secret ones rip all the time, so I wanted to find a brand that's actually going to last a bit longer. So I decided to give these a try. The first style that I tried are the Fits Everybody thong. This one is in the color Onyx. They just look like this. When I first pulled them out, I was like, oh my god, these look teeny tiny. I don't know if these are going to fit me at all, but they stretch so much. They don't look like they're like anything special when it comes to quality, if I'm being honest. The stitching is kind of rough around the edges. There are some seams sticking out. You can tell that there are mistakes in some of the stitches where they're kind of like balled up because it was done incorrectly, I guess. So they're not that crazy special, especially for $20 a piece. I don't know, but if you get 3 or more, they're $12 a pair, which was comparable to me to the Victoria's Secret underwear. And I was like, okay, I might as well try these, see if they last any longer, instead of continuously getting the Victoria's Secret ones knowing that they're gonna last only a few months. And the other color that I got are a nude pair. This is in the shade Mika, again also an extra small, super stretchy. I am super curious to see how these wear, if they shift and move while I'm working out, because that's another problem that I have with my Victoria's Secret ones, is that they shift a lot. So I'm hoping that these actually work out and wash well and wear well, and we'll see kind of what the update is on these. The next style of underwear that I tried are the cotton dipped thongs, and this one is in the shade Kyanite, and I think that it's such a pretty blue color, and I like the shape of these a lot. The only thing is, these are also in a size extra small, but I wish I got them in a small because they don't stretch at all. And I actually tried these on over my underwear and they just don't fit at all. Like, they just make me look like a muffin because they're squishing so tightly. So I don't know if I need to size up to a small or to a medium in these, honestly. But these feel a little bit better made. They're thicker. I feel like you definitely get underwear lines with these just because the stitching is so thick around the sides that you'll definitely see it, especially because the fabric is thicker too. So these ones, honestly, I feel like I'd just return and I wouldn't even exchange, even though they are cute. And I got them in the color Soot as well. But I honestly, like, I'm not even going to take these out of the pouch because I know that I'm going to be returning these. They're just not the fit. But they are a really cute shape, so that's kind of annoying. Then the last thing that I ordered, which is actually what sparked my attention to wanting to finally order something, is this newer stretch rib scooped bralette, and I got it in the shade Soot in an extra small and extra small. Her sizing's a little bit weird. It's either an double XS extra small or a small medium and then medium large, and I didn't want to get a small medium because I'm a 32, and I was like, I don't know, like, I don't want to size up because I'm a 32 double D. So I was kind of confused. Should I go with the small medium? Should I go with the extra small? The size of this fits really well, and I'll put some cutaway clips so you guys can see how this fits. The only thing is that I don't find this to be flattering at all. I don't think that it does anything for me. Yeah, the material is comfortable. It feels like it's almost barely there, but you can just tell that this is just so poorly made. Like, you can see There's little straggles of material everywhere. The stitching is just not that great. It feels like something that you'd get from like Charlotte Russe or Downtown or Victoria's Secret, and I think for the price, for $36, I don't think that it's worth it. And yeah, it's seamless, but you have this like huge piece right here with the band that you can definitely tell is there. And the stitching size and style is not consistent all the way through the item. I'm going to do a close-up so you guys can see what it looks like on the inside. And then mine also is already damaged. Like from the second that I put it on, it actually pulled right in the center. And then when you put it on, you can tell that there's like this giant hole right here. So I was really unhappy with the quality of this when I tried it on. Not a fan, going to be returning this as well. So all in all, would I recommend this? No, probably not. I mean, jury's still out on how long the Fits Everybody thong lasts and wears and all that stuff, but just initial first impressions, I don't think that the quality is anything special. I think that you'd be getting the same sort of vibe from Victoria's Secret. For that whole sports bra vibe, you can pretty much find that style anywhere right now. I just really like the color. And I thought that it would drop lower in the back and be a little bit more flattering from behind, but it's not that cute. I actually really prefer my Calvin Klein ones to these, and they are around the same price. I think cheaper actually. So much more comfortable. They're cotton. They're going to last a long time. They're not going to have pulls in the seams after 2 minutes. They don't ride up in the center. So all in all, very unimpressed with Skims. Am I going to be making another order? Probably not. Hopefully they accept my return on this, because their return policy, first of all, they charge you $6 to return, which is ridiculous because every other brand, for the most part, covers return shipping. And you know that she has the money, so that kind of pissed me off. But the garments have to be undamaged and unworn, but I mean, it's not my fault that this is the worst quality ever, and as soon as I put it on, it tore, or it came torn. I don't know, I didn't notice before I put it on. It was there when I put it on. So, I don't know. So that's it for my review, first impressions kind of thing on my Skims order. I hope that you guys found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know in the comments section below if you've had a similar underwhelming experience, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.